You gotta strike while the iron is hot. I critique mansions. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. In a 3-minute video, so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're gonna see 9330 Beverly Crest Drive, 6-bedroom, 6-bath, 4,675 square foot, and it sits on a 15,800 square foot lot that is not all flat. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about it, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion, and it's for educational entertainment purposes only. If you have questions, you can contact the listing agent over here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. 3rd thing I like about this property, you got 3 bedrooms on the top floor, which qualifies this hillside fun house as also a family house, which is great, and it also has additional guest house separate on a lower level, which is really cozy, could make a great office. I really like that. It's really cool. The 2nd thing I really like about this is that the views are malmousse. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, it's not Spanish for bad moose, malmousse. No, it's Arabic, means tangible. The views are close by. You can grab it, you can touch it. It's very much so more expensive when views are closer, okay? If you like views, top of the hill, you gotta take 10 miles to top of the hill and have panoramic views, great. Enjoy it, but make sure you get a discount for it. The closer to the city you have views, more expensive. The number 1 thing I love about this property is that it's got character. It's got all these nooks and areas that it's just not one of those modern white hill boxes that everyone is building nowadays. So I tend to gravitate towards the older ones, and this one's got charm and character, and I like that about it. Now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like about this property, you should know that there's been 19% of the homes that came on the market this last month, according to ZipSmart.ai, were new inventory, and only 9% went out. Means inventory is piling up, and that's why days in the market in Beverly Hills, that's 71 days. You know what that means? Prices are coming down. But you see, I'm analyzing it for you. Version 3.0 does that for you. It gives you an opinion based on the probability that it would happen, which is going to be unbelievable. Okay, 3 things I don't like about it. 3rd is that the backyard is actually really small. The pool is pretty much right there. When you enter the backyard, you kind of have to go into the pool. It's just like, it's forced, like, okay, we're going to the pool. You don't have that much room to breathe. It looks bigger in the pictures than in person, and that's just the negative. And in general, it's just, it says 15,000. The other section is lower. It's just not that much backyard. They've done a great job with photography. The 2nd thing I don't like about this property is that no frontage. I mean, you're literally on a curve and you're sitting right on the street. Good luck trying to make a U-turn over here. Very tight parked. It's just not ideal for transportation or any of that stuff. So I don't like that about it. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like is the scale and the volume. The rooms are pretty small. I mean, it's only 4,000 and change square footage, and the dimensions are not that fantastic. You got, you know, smaller rooms, low ceiling heights. You got to inherit all that old architecture for the charm that you're really interested into. Okay, I want you guys to tell me in the comments how much you think this one's gonna sell, because it used to be 12 million, then it got to 10, and then it got to 9. Now, you have to strike the iron while it's hot, because this property, if it was listed under 10, I can promise you what, 6-7 months ago or a year ago, it would have sold. I'm not saying at 9, but it would have sold much faster. Now they're just chasing the market. That's why with ZipSmart.ai, you can foresee what could potentially happen in the real estate market, and you can make wiser real estate decisions to catch the prices as they come down by pricing it right, than pricing high and then chasing the market down. Okay, tell me in the comments how much you think it's gonna sell for, and if you like this video, you will like one of these, and sign up for ZipSmart.ai, and I'll see you in the next video. Get out of here.